Oh, the current goes f***ing out. Oh, oh my fucking god.
What?
Current, oh my god. I'm hand lining the fish in this little puddle. Bam, got one. Hell yeah, let's go. Welcome back to Bassman TV. Today we're out here river fishing with ultralight setups, and we are going to try to catch some smallmouth bass, which I have never caught, and we're going to catch some striper and maybe some steelhead. We got like a 5-minute walk to where we're going. Then we're gonna wade in the water and see what we can catch. And we're gonna use night crawlers as live bait to catch them. So hey guys, this looks very promising.
We're walking up on the spot.
Yep.
Ian's never been here before, but I used to catch a lot of smallmouth here, so. And most people have never caught smallmouth from Lodi, so we'll see.
Oh shoot. Oh my god, dude. There's definitely fish in here. Imagine if they were just like chilling up in here, if it was a little bit deeper. Wow, this place is awesome. So apparently it's a lot deeper, but does not stop us from going in the water and wading. But depends on how far we can go up and down the river, because it looks pretty deep, but we'll see what we can catch. Okay. Oh. Perfect, right there. Oh, I got one. Heck yeah. No way, it's a little baby striper. That's sick as little baby. Oh, look at that little baby striper right there, guys. Oh, got him. Oh, hell yeah. They were right here. There's tons of them. There's so many. Oh my god. Hey, check this out. This might be a smallmouth.
Oh shit, you already got one?
Oh, it is. Dope, dude. There's hella smallmouth underneath this tree.
Wait, you already got one?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, let me see. That's a smallmouth.
Oh. Dude, there was a decent sized one in there. Dude, they were like right here by my feet.
Really? Just like...
Just chilling. Right. See, they're right there.
Oh, they're right here. Yep.
Come on. I want a big one to come out and play. Got him. Oh, he came off.
Dude, they're not liking the bunched up looking worms. You like the realistic?
Oh, oh. Oh my god, dude, look at him come out right here. Dude, you can, oh my god, there's so many right there.
See, this is what I was talking about. They just get stacked up.
Holy sh! Oh my god, got one. Oh my god, it's a sunfish. I caught 3 species already. It's not even been like 30 minutes yet. This is dope. I love this. And it's supposed to be 101 degrees today. And this is like the perfect type of fishing to like just relax in the water.
I told you you'd have a blast, bro.
Perfect type of fishing to relax in the water and nice cold water and just chill. Oh my god, there's one right here by my feet. Oh, that's the same fish I just caught. That's hella funny.
I told you you'd have a blast doing this type of fishing.
Yeah. See if there's a bigger one out there. Because I've caught them down below by the dam before, I think. Oh my God, I got one already. Holy,
okay.
It's a lot bigger. Oh, oh, oh.
Whoa, what was that?
Whoa, dude, there's like 3 of them. It's a striper, dude. Another striper. Holy shit, look how big this fucker is.
I'm gonna have to switch over, huh?
Oh, there he goes. Just trying to get like a little thumbnail for it.
But like, I'm just not hooking up.
So what I'm doing is just letting it go down with the current, and as long as it gets to this point, it like floats a little bit past me, and that's when the line will be completely like not slack, and then you'll feel a fish on almost every single time. Like right now, it's not slack. See, there's one on right now. Got him.
My hook sucks.
Oh my God, look at this. Look at that rod bend. Oh my God, dude. Holy shit, they're trying to attack each other. Look at that. Dude, they just keep getting bigger and bigger. That's so dope.
I got it.
Oh my God, dude. Oh, oh, oh. Got him. I saw him swallow it.
That's a
Largemouth.
4 species.
What?
4 species.
4 species?
In what, 15 minutes?
15 minutes. Look at that little baby largemouth. Hopefully you'll become a 10-pounder one day, buddy. Good luck. I'm absolutely killing the game.
I know I can't get a fish, bro.
Stick to your carp fishing.
Shut
You
up.
little shithead. It's my time to excel. Can whoop your ass. I don't know if you guys noticed, but John's always whooping my ass. Now I'm whooping his ass. That's a rarity. Oh my God, there's one in here. There's literally one in this little puddle, guys. Watch me catch it so I can get the hook exposed enough. There we go. Watch this. Ready? Let me catch one. Got him. Oh, it. Ready? In this little puddle. Bam! Got one. Hell yeah. Let's go.
What is it?
Smallmouth. In that little puddle right there. That is dope. Oh, my bad, guys. Bad, horrible handling right there. There he goes. There's literally like 5 of them in this little puddle. Okay guys, a little update video here. So we've been fishing for about what, like 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and so far I've caught, it was a smallmouth, sunfish, largemouth, striper, only 4 species. Nothing big yet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rejuvenate. It's like almost the hottest part of the day. It's gonna be 101 today. So we're gonna drink some water, and then we're gonna walk down this river right here and do a little bit of exploring.
So when you fish a stream, say
you cast up more.
Yeah, you always want your area you're concentrating to be right in front of you. And you want to cast there and then in there, so that, you know what I mean? So
yeah.
If we want to fish this spot, we need to go farther up.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm definitely swimming today. I've already almost fell like 30 times.
Oh,
do you have anything in there that can't get wet?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm good on my backpack.
My backpack is so heavy. water in it now.
This is fun. For now.
Yeah.
For now, this is actually low-key fun as fuck.
Oh shit, there's a big ass spider web right here.
It's gonna be some grade A content.
Oh!
Or we just might fucking hook into a giant serpent. Oh, it's kind of liking waiting. Dude, one of us is gonna eat shit.
Yeah.
Second. Any second.
I did not.
I don't count. Alright, right here.
Dude, it's a lot cooler right here.
Here, right here. Like this one. Fast upstream.
Yeah, I know.
Yep, him bit.
Oh, I got one.
Double hook up.
Oh, dude, look at my reel's all in pieces right now.
You have fish?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna hand line them in. Got him. I'm hand lining the fish in.
Watch it be big.
Oh, heck yeah. What the f? Oh, it's a smallmouth. Ooh, look at the colors on that dude.
Yeah, he looks a little different.
He's all like all blue.
How am I missing this too?
That's sick. Look at that. Little smallie. Look how blue he looks on the
Yeah,
bottom.
it's pretty.
It's so
Got,
pretty.
Like, green in them too, like light green.
There you go, buddy. With the reel all f***ed up like that. Damn.
Oh, pike minnow.
Holy f***. Do you see that big one right there?
Look right here, right here.
Oh.
That's a nice sized bass. So for reference, this is what a normal sized pike minnow looks like.
Yeah, that's...
And we caught a, you realize you saw on the video it was a 7-pounder?
Oh, dude.
It wasn't a 6-pounder, it was a 7-pounder.
Oh my God, there's one right there.
Oh,
Look at
that's a big one.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get, dude. I just had him on. But that was what?
That was a pike minnow. The one we caught yesterday was a 7-pounder.
Yeah.
The other day, it wasn't 6. Remember how we said it was 6? If you look on the scale, it actually said 7.
Yeah, that's what we said. 7 pounds.
Or no, then it was a pound heavier than what we said.
Oh. Damn, look at my rod man.
Is that a bigger one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fatter one.
Holy shit, dude, look how fat his fucking belly is. Look how fat that belly is.
Yeah, he's a thick one.
What is this?
Smallmouth.
That's a smallmouth?
Let me see. Yeah, that's a smallmouth. That's a smallmouth bass.
I just couldn't tell because of the line right there. Dude, I can't imagine like a 2-pounder the way these dudes fight.
Oh yeah.
How deep does this get?
I'm always gonna let you lead the way if you're taller.
Oh yeah, nice.
Well, you're taller, so like if it goes deep, you have a better chance of your head being above water.
Oh, the current goes f***ing out. Oh my fucking god.
What?
Current. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it drops off so much right there. Oh my god. What the f? Oh my god, I'm holding on for my dear life right now. What the f? Oh.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Go ahead. It's pretty fucking deep right there. It gets really deep right here.
Well, you have to just go with it. Come on, Ian.
Are you swimming?
I'm doing something.
Can you touch the bottom?
No.
What the f?
Come on, Ian.
Oh my god, what the f? Oh, oh god. Oh god. Oh god, dude, there's a chunk of bluegill bitten off. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Ah! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. What the f is this? What the f? Oh my god.
Ian, you needed to
Okay.
hook up your hook first. Like,
Oh, my bad. Oh, I'm struggling for my life right now. This current. I gotta swim?
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder how deep it is right here.
I don't want to think about it.
Oh, there's a stick on my ass. Okay. Okay, we're good, guys. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, look at that paradise. Dude, we're gonna catch like a fucking monster. Oh my god, I got it. Holy crap. This one's big.
You think you're dragging maybe?
Oh my god, dude, it's big. Oh, it's a trout.
No.
It's a trout.
No.
It's a trout. Oh my god. I just caught a trout, guys.
Steelhead, you mean?
A steelhead.
You need to listen to drag a little.
Oh my god. No way.
That's sick, dude.
Yeah.
Can I get another weight?
Yeah, hold on. Oh. Hey, chill out, buddy. Wow. Look how beautiful that is. Oh. Yeah. Let me get up. Don't tell me he ate it.
No, I think he's and they get bigger than this there too, dude. Look at that.
Wow. How bad is it? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dude, I was just literally, I didn't even let it drop. He just like nailed the shit out of it.
Really? I mean, I can try, but I don't think it's happening. Can you pull this tight? Uh-oh.
Maybe.
Not a good sign, guys.
Uh-oh.
He just pulled it immediately. Ian set the hook on it.
Yeah, I set the hook on it.
Like right away, but they're just swallowing it. These fish in here are so hungry. He's unfortunately not going to survive, but we're not going to keep him, so.
He might survive.
Probably not.
Oh, yeah, he might survive. Drop shot's like the #1 thing to throw whether for smallmouth. Surprised there's no big ones in there.
There probably is somewhere.
The water's not deep enough. It's only probably 6 feet.
That's
So
big enough for bigger smallmouth.
7, 8 feet.
No, you don't. But one rod, one reel was catching 3-pounders in like a foot of water.
That's a different state though. That's completely. It's
do you know
it
a
doesn't
lot
get
about-
as hot as here. Look, it's like a little tornado in the water.
There you go. That's how you set the hook in. Is that bigger? Oh, it's a good sized bass. There you go.
Yep. Oh, biggest one of the day.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Nice.
Good chunk.
That's a smallmouth.
Really?
Yes.
Looks more like a spotted.
It's a smallmouth.
Here we go. Okay guys, we made it back to the same exact spot where we started off. It was like a 30-minute walk back. We were walking out through all of this right here. But so today was a very successful day. And we've caught probably 6 species of fish.
Wait, let's figure that out actually. So largemouth, smallmouth, bluegill, striper, steelhead, pike minnow. Did I name bluegill?
Yeah.
All right, so I think that's everything. So yeah, 6 species.
Yeah, 6 species of fish and probably about 50 fish maybe. I don't know. But we caught a lot today. Today is a very successful day and it's all cloudy now and we're about to get off the water, eat some food and relax. So stay tuned for the next video and I'll catch you guys later. Keep slapping that bass. Peace.